Hello, folks. Well, surrounded by local farmers here, I was invited out to see Tommy Zylstra's ideal Fendt 9T in action. If you longtime subscribers remember, I made a video about 14 years ago called What Do You Mean Corn Doesn't Come from Cans? I did it with the help of Ryan Ekoff, Ted Schutte, and Joel Van Gelder. It went viral, but since I used a copyrighted song, it was flagged for copyright. Well, this combine machine is really impressive, and I hope you enjoy seeing it in action. From the ground to the drone, here we go. So how many bushels does this thing do?
6 bushels a second a ton.
Say that again?
6 bushels a second.
6 bushels a second. That's a lot. Now let's see, how many rows are on this? You know, it's a lot quieter than I thought.
Yeah.
Okay, if you look real closely, you can see what looks like a coyote running. And no, they don't run them over or any deer either. Well, it's a bit chilly out here this morning. Wind is 10 to 14 miles an hour, and the temperature is 27 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, I got the warning high winds and low battery, and it went into automatic return to home, and here it comes. I've been sitting in the door of my van flying all this time, and it's been great. And as you know, TJI return to home. It climbs to the altitude I have set, which is about 360 feet, and then automatic flies over and will land right where it took off. And it does. So the corn goes inside these big grain bins. In fact, they're building a new one as we speak, and it's quite a bit bigger than these beside this one.
Well, I got a metal detector on if I have to. There it is. Look at that. Look at that. And it's still recording. Hey! Okay.
Well, it's in 26th and 7th row.
What's your name again? Go ahead.
Mike Agana.
Agana. Yeah, well, I got a little dust, but we're all right. Look at that machine.
Keep going, man.
Well, here's a few specs, and I also put a link in the description box to see more. Special thanks to Robert and Tommy Zelstra and Mike Agana for the invite. We thank all the farmers for providing for us, and God bless them all. Please subscribe, and thank you too. This is Dave the Night Flyer, signing off till the next episode.
Hey,